In the vast kingdom of nature, the vulture reigns supreme, a master of survival. Often misunderstood, these majestic creatures are nature's cleanup crew, removing carcasses and preventing the spread of disease. A vulture's eyesight is legendary, spotting prey from miles away. Did you know some vultures can even detect gas released by decaying animals? Incredible, isn't it? Vultures can soar for hours without flapping their wings, riding thermals in the sky. With wingspans up to 9 feet, they are truly a sight to behold. And let's not forget they're the only birds with a sense of smell. Join us again as we unveil more of nature's wonders. This has been Vulture Voyages, your 60-second peek into the wild. #Wildlife Marvel, #Vulture Shorts.